Ahmed Al-Houshi, CEO of Fيرتيغلوب. Last week, we announced our new revised strategy for Fيرتيغلوب under ADNOC's majority ownership. By way of background, ADNOC used to own 36% of Fيرتيغلوب, but in October of last year purchased its joint venture partner stakes, OCI, and took its ownership to 86%. We spent time with ADNOC, with the internal team, to look and see where we can take advantage of our competitive advantages and outline a new strategy. And we announced a 4-pillar strategy to take EBITDA from $630 million in 2024 to over $1 billion by 2030, under 4 strategic pillars focused on number 1, operational excellence, number 2, going closer to the customer or customer proximity, number 3, leveraging new nitrogen products in the nitrogen space, and number 4, low carbon ammonia in a disciplined manner. So we announced $261 million of EBITDA in the first quarter and north of $200 million free cash flow, so very strong free cash flow conversion in our Q1 results. They were above consensus across the board. And what was a driver of that is that we had produced more efficiently during the first quarter, and we had some tons held over from late 2024 that we were able to sell at higher prices in Q1 2025. So it's kind of a combination of higher prices and higher volumes, and our continued focus on costs to bring those costs down that have supported those results. And for the balance of the year and our outlook looking forward, we continue to see a relatively tight market, positioning us well to continue to serve our key importing regions from where we export from. And we continue our manufacturing and cost improvement journey so that we can, in the same year, basically start producing more and consume less feedstock in the process. So from a growth perspective, the 4th strategic pillar that we had discussed was disciplined low-carbon ammonia. So we have a project in Ruwais in Abu Dhabi here, just under 3 hours drive from here, that is going to add 1 million tons of low-carbon ammonia in 2027. So that's going to grow us from a 7.6 million ton producer to, from a 6.6 million ton producer to a 7.6 million ton per year producer, inshallah. We also have a project in Egypt on the green ammonia side where we benefit from a favorable offtake that we were awarded with the German government last year. And then we have a few other pre-FID projects that we're evaluating with ADNOC now, including an expansion in the United States with Exxon, potentially further investments here in Abu Dhabi as well. And that's just on the organic side of the new builds. We're looking at, made some small acquisition last week in Australia for distribution of our products in a premium market, but we continue to scour the markets for where we can create value.